Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change date of birth on Discord. What you need to do, first just go to Google and type Discord support, and here is the first link. Just click here and then click here submit a request. What can we help with? Just click here and then choose trust and safety. Now type here your email address. How can we help? Just choose appeals, age, update, other questions, and now here choose update my age information. Now you type here the age you want to change, and that it should be a real age, real your birth date. Type it here and then tick this inbox. After that, just write a subject here, for example change date of birth, and then the description. Just describe to them that you want to change your age. After that, just click here submit, and then you will hear from them back if they accept it or they don't accept it, and also they will explain to you the reason if they don't accept it. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.